Hi dear students, welcome to math session. Today I am going to deal with the fourth chapter, circles of class 5. In this session we are going to learn the geometrical shape, circles and how to draw it. You all know that it is round in shape. Can you tell me some examples for circular shape? Yes? Coins, bangles, disc, bottle cap, etc. Look at this figure. It's a circle. Now we are going to learn how to draw a circle. To draw a circle, we use a tool compass. It has two arms, one metal arm and a pencil arm. Now let's learn how to draw a circle by using a compass. Mark a point. Place the compass on this marked point. Place the metal point of the compass on this fixed point and move the pencil arm around to draw a circle. So this fixed point is called center of the circle. The distance from center to any point on the circle is equal. The distance from center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Radius is the measure of the circle. So let's draw a circle with a radius 4 cm. Now step 1, use a scale. Set the compass to adjust the distance between two arms at 4 cm. Place the scale. Use compass to set the distance between two arms at 4 cm. Mark a point. Place the metal point of the compass on the fixed point firmly. Place the metal point of the compass firmly on the fixed point. Move the pencil arm around to draw a circle. The fixed point is called center of the circle. The distance from center to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. When the radius is extended, what is the length of this line? When the radius is extended, what is the length of the line? It is double of radius. So, when a line passes through center and meet any 2 points on the circle, it is called diameter of the circle. So, the longest line we can draw in the circle is diameter. Now, mark any 2 points on the circle. Join with a line segment. This AB is called chord of the circle. The line segment which meet 2 points on the circle is called chord of the circle. So, let's revise what we learned today. Important terms related to circle. Center. Center of the circle. Center of the circle is the fixed point from the circle is drawn. Radius. The distance from center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Diameter. Diameter is the line segment passes through the center and joins any 2 points on the circle. Chord. Chord is the line segment that joins any 2 points on the circle. Do you know the diameter is the longest chord? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. A circle has many radii and diameters. I hope you all understood the concept of circle and how to draw it. Thank you.